My dear viewers, in today's video I'm gonna help you a lot because I'm gonna talk about special natural remedy or special plant that can help you a lot with your liver function, but also with many other aspects of your health. If you follow me to the show, I'm gonna give you recommended daily dosage, what are these plants. Also, at the end of the show, I'm gonna give you a perfect vitamin that can help you a lot if you want to know about especially liver health. One herb is the best for the liver cleansing and overall wellness. For almost 2000 years, traditional Chinese medicine has recognized Bupleurum for its detoxifying properties. A qi deficient causes diseases, while a free flow of qi and the blood is necessary for wellness in TCM model. This ancient plant is claimed to reduce liver heat and disperse qi. This herb has significant anti-inflammatory qualities and has been used to treat liver illness like cirrhosis. Herbal remedies like Chow Chow Hung Tang contains Bupleurum and treats hepatitis and liver cancer. In addition, in vitro investigation have indicated that this plant is antiviral, hepatoprotective, and anti-inflammatory, anti-proliferative, and chemotherapy preventive. Unbelievably important information. So for today's show, I'm going to talk about something called Bupleurum. This plant is really well recognized for 1,000 years, especially in traditional Chinese medicine. Us in Western world don't know a lot about these natural remedies. That is the shame, because this is one of the best plants in the world for the healthy liver. Bupleurum may not be as well as known as other herbs, but it has long history and studies supporting its use. Discover this powerful natural treatment. What's Bupleurum? The Apiaceae family includes Bupleurum Chinese, Americanum, or Falcatum. The beautiful plant has lovely greenish yellow flowers and sickle-shaped leaves like drill or fennel. The shrub produces little cylindrical fruit after clusters of greenish yellow flowers bloom. This perennial plant has bright yellow, bitter roots that are used as a medicine. And this plant has many health benefits. In today's show, I'm going to recommend it, just a couple of them. But most important information is, of course, that is one of the best plants in the world for a healthy liver. Health benefits. First, promotes liver detoxification and the function. The liver, our largest organ, neutralizes and eliminates poisons. Bile, produced by the liver, aids fat and the fat-soluble vitamin absorption. Maintaining liver function is essential for everyone's health. Drinking, eating processed food, using drugs and pollution all harm the liver. Its liver detoxification and the liver health benefits make this herb famous. It's one of the best natural liver cures for the processing nutrients and eliminating toxins. Second, treat cirrhosis, liver cancer. Cirrhosis is a slowly progressive liver condition in which scar tissue inhibits blood and bile flow and prevents the liver from operating normally. Heavy drinking and persistent hepatitis C infection are the main causes of cirrhosis. That can result from serious diseases. Japanese medication Soho-cho contain Bupleurum. Laboratory and animal research reveals Soho-to protects the liver. This herbal formula prevents hepatocellular carcinomas, liver cancer, in cirrhosis patients. Given cirrhosis patients high liver cancer rate, and this is unbelievably huge because we're living in the modern world, but we are each day unbelievably harm our liver. Our liver is under attack probably each day with the food, with the way they eat, especially with medication we drink each day. And this is not coincidence that right now in the modern world we have unbelievably more and more patients with the liver problems, also with the liver cancers. So that's why this natural remedy can help you a lot. Third, increase adrenal gland function. Along with licorice and Panax ginseng, Bupleurum boosts adrenal gland function. This is especially helpful for the people who have used corticosteroids for a long time, which damage the adrenals. By treating adrenal insufficiency, Bupleurum can balance the body and boost energy. Fourth, might relieve epilepsy. Bupleurum may benefit epileptic patients, another surprise yet exciting discovery. Epilepsy disturbs the brain nerve cells' activity, causing seizure. Sohoto and Sohotoi, two Chinese herbal formula with the same plant but different ratios, contain Bupleurum. These two formula also contain cassia bark, ginger root, penoy root, pinella root, jujube fruit, Asian ginseng root, skullcap root, and licorice root. Epilepsy sufferers have found alleviation from both herbal mixtures in preliminary trials. Also, when you use this Bupleurum, it has unbelievable health benefits, especially also for the ovarian cancer. This is very important information, especially for the women, of course. Bupleurum in the many studies shows promising information and promising function against the ovarian cancer. Unbelievably important information. Also for depression and anxiety. Emotional conditions like anxiety and depression are a modern-day scourge. They have devastating effect on a person's quality of life and have created dependence on medication that is difficult to break. Pharmaceutical antidepressant and anti-anxiety pills comes with a number of potential side effects, not to mention the potential for addiction. This is the reason that more and more people are looking for more natural remedy in nature. Traditional practitioners of Chinese medicine take a different approach to depression and anxiety, believing that stagnation of energy flow in the body or qi is one of the root causes. A herbal formula called Chai Hu Gan San, which contains Bupleurum and several other herbs, is often recommended for depression and thought to be especially helpful for the mood and emotional problems commonly suffer for menopausal women. Also, Bupleurum is the one plant that scientifically research have shown that can help you a lot with your upper respiratory tract problems for the lung, sinus, and so forth. This plant has other many health benefits, but most important for today's show is, of course, liver condition, liver cancer. This is one of the best plants that you can imagine. Risk and side effects. Bupleurum side effects and the contraindication are unknown. Increased bowel motion, intestinal gas, and sleepiness have been noted. Some users have major lung and respiratory difficulties when used with other herbs. Avoid this herb if you're pregnant or nursing. Those with a blood disorder, diabetes, or autoimmune disease should avoid it. This herbal can raise bleeding risk, therefore stop taking in 2 weeks before the surgery. How to find and use. Bupleurum supplements are available in pill or liquid form at the health stores and online. Bupleurum tea is rare and expensive but still available. Naturally caffeine-free tea. Some Asian stores sell dry Bupleurum root for tea. Allow 1 teaspoon of Bupleurum to steep in 1 cup of hot water for 10 minutes before consuming. Bupleurum is also seen in liver cleanses with milk thistle seed, dandelion root, and other herbs that I was talking a lot and extensively on my channel. Right now, on my channel you will have over 4,000 videos, probably a couple hundreds of them is about healthy liver and how prevent healthy liver diseases. So for today's show for you is important. If you want to find out what are the best, one of the best herbs for liver health. For the last 25 years after I finished college, I'm working with the patient from all around the world. My specialty is natural remedies, nutrition, and physical therapy and rehabilitation. Every year I help thousands of people from all around the world. If you want to know how you can cure your diseases through natural remedies and a healthy lifestyle, call my office, Mario Lab Center in Croatia at +385 98 9179 200. Feel free to contact us through Viber, WhatsApp, or visit my website mariolab.hr, where you can find many more information about my work and how I can help you. I have put my knowledge of natural remedies and nutrition in my 3 books. My 3 books is about nutrition. First one is Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, and next 2 are about nutrition and the natural remedies that can help you a lot. The books are also available on English language on my website mariolab.hr. All information you have all below the video. My help is available to all of you from all around the world. If you are from North or South America, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Australia or Europe, take advantage of my private phone consultation. Call my Mario Lab Center right now, make an appointment, and I will make sure for you to get better in natural way with any kind of side effects, as I've been doing for the last 25 years.